Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Shafin Tech. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'll be showcasing a website that can provide comprehensive packaging solution, perfectly tailored for small business owners, graphic designers, and printers who are looking to design packages quickly and efficiently. This tool called Pacdora. First of all, what is Pacdora? Pacdora, an all-in-one online packaging design tool that integrates editing, 3D preview rendering, and exporting into a web-based platform. Designers no longer need to purchase and install multiple software. All the work can be done in a browser with the help of Pacdora. The design process is now easy, time-efficient, and fun. With 49 plus customizable packaging template, mockups and die lines related to every category. Whether you are looking for boxes, bottles, pouches, cans, or anything else for your product, you can explore all the categories based on your needs. Quickly design and download packaging mockups to help you visualize the artwork and structural designs. View your packaging design in a 3D preview without using any extra software or tools. The exciting feature of this tool is that you can also use their offline printing partners for Canada, UK, and the USA. But before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot, and I want to thank you for it. Here how you can create a D-line. To create a D-line, go to the Templates and Die Lines tab and choose any category depending on your project. For this demonstration, I'll use a tuck box. You can see the D-line with bleed, trim, and crease lines here. On the right side, you have some basic and advanced options. In the advanced menu, you can adjust minor dimensions as well. You can input custom dimensions in inches and millimeters and scale them accordingly. You can download your D-line in 4 different formats, such as PDF, Adobe Illustrator, PNG, and Drawing for Professionals. In the basic mode, you have 3 types of output size dimensions. You can input custom length, width, and height, and change the custom thickness. Additionally, you can choose different packaging materials, such as cardboard, artboard, and corrugated board. On the left side, you have a 3D preview of your package and a final mock-up preview. In the end, you have a box-style line template. Just click here to start designing your package online. You can upload your packaging design images here. For this video, I'll use the website library to create a random packaging box. In the Elements tab, you can explore the essential design elements. Simply drag and drop these elements onto the D-line. Resize and adjust them. Change the packaging background color, and use any of the icons by dragging and adjusting them. You can also increase and decrease their opacity. Additionally, you can apply patterns to your design. Just select a pattern and adjust its size. Change the colors to suit your design. That's perfect. You can choose the background color, packaging color, and material in the Material menu. Here you can see the preview of your design. In the mockup mode, you can visualize the packaging design. This will help you showcase it to your clients if you are a freelancer or even if you are creating it for your product. You can take inspiration from other designs as well. In the design mode, you have outside and inside design options. You can also activate the cutting bleed lines option for printing. Once you are finished with the design, you can render your design into a 3D model. Just select any model, and a separate window will open. On the left side, you have lots of pre-made templates for a 3D preview. Just choose any of the templates. Here you can change the aspect ratio and download in high resolutions up to 4 Kelvin Ultra HD resolution. You can also change the background color. All your designs will appear here in the Models menu. You can also apply different shadows and effects from this menu. In the Upload menu, you can upload your own design models. You can also choose different products based on colors rather than the category. Let's choose this model as an example. Click on the Render Now button and wait for some time. Here we have the final rendered image. Simply download it and showcase it to your client. Click on this Export D-line and Mockup link and download the Mockup, D-line, and 3D video preview. In the Mockup tab, choose any resolution, change the aspect ratio, background color, and finally, watch your mockup to see how it will look. In the D-line tab, you have CMYK and RGB color modes, and 4 different file formats. You can also watch different video styles of the package in the Video tab. Additionally, you can generate the HTML code of the packaging design to embed it into your website or Shopify website. This online tool is efficient and time-saving, and it can help you with all types of product packaging design. Whether you are launching your own product or working as a freelancer, this tool is a complete package for your needs. Its Pro plan costs only $29 for USA users, and the good news is that you can get a 20% discount by applying the provided code at the checkout. That's all for this video. In my next videos, I will create some realistic projects with this tool. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.